welcome to Sidak's kitchen. Today we are going to make butter cake. Let's start. We first need milk, strawberries, icing mix, eggs and butter. You have to put the preheat oven at 180. Put the mix in the bowl and 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of butter. Put 150 ml of milk. Now mix everything together. Now put the mix in the cake mold. Put it in the oven for 45 minutes. Now we're going to test our cake if it's ready or not. Oh, it's not ready. The cake is ready now, so let's put our toppings. Now we're going to make our icing with butter and milk. So we've put our icing mix and our butter. So now we're putting our milk. Mix it with your hand and make sure there are no lumps. Now we are going to put our toppings. Everything is now made and it's time for to eat it. Yummy!